Master Math with Addy.
Do you ever feel nervous just thinking about math? Does your heart race during a test? You're not alone. Many students experience math anxiety, but the good news is, you can overcome it. Welcome to the Math Mindset Podcast, where I break down math concepts and help you build confidence. Today we'll show you how to conquer math anxiety for good. What is math anxiety? Math anxiety is the feeling of fear, stress, or panic when dealing with math problems. It can make your brain freeze during exams or even make you avoid math altogether. But here's the truth. Math is just like any other skill. You can train your brain to get better at it. Why does math anxiety happen? Math anxiety happens for a few reasons. Maybe you had a bad experience with math before. Maybe you compare yourself to others who seem to get it faster. Or maybe you've told yourself that you're just not a math person. But here's the secret. There's no such thing as a math person. Anyone can improve at math with the right approach. How to overcome math anxiety? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, shift your mindset. Instead of saying, "I'm bad at math," say, "I'm still learning math." Your brain grows stronger when you practice. Second, break problems into smaller steps. Don't try to solve everything at once. Focus on one step at a time and it will feel much easier. Third, practice regularly. Confidence comes from practice. The more you work with numbers, the more comfortable you'll get. Fourth, use visualization techniques. Imagine yourself solving a math problem easily. This helps train your brain to feel more relaxed. Finally, stay calm during tests. If you feel anxious during a test, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remind yourself, you've got this. Let's take an example. Meet Alex. He used to freeze during math tests, but he started practicing step by step, used positive self-talk, and stayed calm. Now he feels more confident in math, and you can too. Math anxiety doesn't define you. It's just a hurdle you can overcome. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and soon, math will feel much easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Math with Aid for more tips. See you in the next episode.